Hey guys, on this project we're going to be making a drink soda holder that you could use on the bed or even on the couch. Let's do it. For this project, I'm going to be using 3/4 of an inch plywood. Continue by marking 3/4 on each corner of the board, using a 3.5 hosa to mark the center. This is the same blade we are going to be using to make the holes on the holder. I will be using my router all around to give it a better look. I'll be marking all the corners using the same blade. Trim it with the jigsaw and then we'll finish it with the sander. So now I am going to be using the same piece as a template since both pieces are going to be the same size. Repeat the same steps with the router to the second piece. Here I have the two spacers 2.5 by 3 inches using a countersink bit to pre-drill from the bottom so that way no screws will be showing from the outside. Repeat the same steps on both sides. Apply wood glue, screws and let it dry. Now we're gonna mark the center on the bottom piece. We're gonna drill 2 holes, apply some wood glue, and now it's time to connect the 2 pieces together. The only 2 screws that you'll be seeing are in the bottom. You could also cover them with wood putty. The screws that I'll be using for the bottom are 2.5 inches. I already sanded down to speed up the process. I sanded down with 320 grit sandpaper, and I don't think I'm gonna be applying stain on this one. I'm just gonna apply like maybe 3 coats of clear coat. I'm gonna apply 3 coats, let it dry for a couple days, and then come back and reapply another 2 coats. Don't forget to give it like 3 to 5 minutes in between coats when you're applying the clear. And there you have it. We just finished our drink soda holder, cup holder, whatever you want to call it. It's all from scrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll be coming up with some more videos. Thanks for watching.